Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss about the metatarsal. We will discuss few points regarding metatarsal. First one is position, second the function, third is joints of metatarsal, and the fourth is articulation. First we will discuss the position of metatarsal. Metatarsal refer to the 5 long bones found in each foot. They are numbered 1 to 5 from medial to lateral. It is in the middle of phalanges and tarsal. Each metatarsal consists of proximal base, distal head, neck and shaft. Function of metatarsal is together metatarsal and tarsal bone help to form the main arc of foot, which is essential for weight bearing and walking. Joints regarding the metatarsals are the metatarsal bone run from the tarsal to phalangeal forming two joints, tarsometatarsal joint and the metatarsal phalangeal joint. The articulation of metatarsal is each base of the metatarsal bone articulate with at least one of the tarsal bone forming the tarsometatarsal joint, and the head of the metatarsal articulate with the each phalangeal making up the metatarsal phalangeal joint. Additionally, the base of each metatarsal also articulate with the base of adjacent metatarsal forming the intermetatarsal joints. Thank you.